All right, let's get you the latest in the Salman Khan hit-and-run case. The news just coming in that Salman Khan has reached a sessions court in Mumbai. Now, the actor here will present his version of the 2002 hit-and-run case. He faces up to 10 years in prison after the case was changed to culpable homicide. Well, these are the latest visuals of Salman Khan's car pulling in to the local sessions court in Mumbai there. And he will today give his version of the story. Now, Salman Khan is charged with culpable homicide, causing death by negligent driving. Now, these are the charges framed against Salman Khan. Today, the actor would be presenting his side of the story. Now, this is the first time that Salman Khan will be taking to the stand in the hit-and-run case which occurred in 2002. Well, those are the visuals of Salman Khan walking in and his car pulling in there. Well, this is the first time that Salman Khan will take to the stands explaining his side of the story. Salman Khan's counsel has maintained till date that Salman Khan was not behind the wheel when it came down to the hit-and-run incident which killed people. I want to cut across to Mayuresh, who's on the phone line with me. Mayuresh, will you... All right, he's live with us. Mayuresh, will you take us through the latest developments? We can see Salman Khan taking to the stands for the first time, giving his side of the version today.
Certainly, Salman Khan has entered in the Mumbai Sessions Court today, and the main part of this whole case is that today Salman Khan will stand in the witness box and court will ask him a question and court will ask him his version of the story. So today is a very crucial day where Salman Khan will be speaking, will be talking his version, will telling the court his version basically.
You know, Mayuresh, just take us through what has been till now the prosecution's version and of course the defense version which Salman Khan will put forth, and what are the differences between the two?
Certainly, till now, prosecution has already examined the many witnesses as well as they have cross-examined all the witnesses, but defense have always opposed to it, and now today is a crucial day where Salman Khan will be standing in the witness box and court will ask him a question. Court has prepared a question here where court will ask him a question about the scenario which happened 13 years back. What was exactly that, who was in his car, like these questions court will ask. So today is a very crucial day where Salman Khan will be telling his version of the story. So
what has been his version, Mayuresh? What has been the version of the prosecution? The prosecution till now has maintained that Salman Khan was behind the wheel of that vehicle which ran over people. On the other hand, Salman Khan's defense has always maintained that it has not been Salman Khan who was behind the wheel, it was his driver. Can you give us the latest that you're getting in terms of what will Salman Khan is expected to say to the judge today, and give us the differences of this case?
Certainly, there were disputes between the prosecution and defense when always, as you mentioned, that prosecution was telling that Salman Khan was behind the vehicle and he was under the impression of alcohol. But defense has always denied it, and they have always said that Salman Khan was not driving and his driver was there. So now it will be very crucial that what exactly Salman Khan gives answer when court asks him a very specific question on that. So we have to wait for that because the court will start in few moments and Salman Khan will be in a witness box. Back to you.
All right, Mayuresh, can you also take us through the various twists and turns of this case, and it's seen fairly quite a bit till now?
Certainly, in this case, see, it's a 13-year-long case, which again the trial of this case again started in 2013. In this whole case, many witnesses again re-examined by the prosecution as well as by the defense also. If I could tell you one example in this whole case is that the forensic, when the Salman's sample was sent to the forensic lab, there were dispute. There were two samples were sent to the forensic lab, and there were dispute between the reports also. So all these matter will now be in the court when court will ask Salman about this particular event and the incident which happened 13 years back.
All right, and even after he gives his side of the story, Salman Khan will also get an opportunity, Mayuresh, to examine defense witnesses, will not he?
Certainly, Salman Khan may get opportunity to examine the defense and for examine the witnesses also. But for that, he will have to ask or he will have to apply, and court may give him a next date. But today's crucial day is that Salman will be in witness box, and court, what questions court ask him and what answers Salman Khan give, because it's a 13-year-old case, and the answers which Salman Khan will give definitely go on the record, and court will verify what exactly are the answers of Salman Khan.
What have been the strongest witnesses in this case against Salman Khan?
Certainly, there were many witnesses. As you said, the eyewitness also is one of the key, important. Then the forensic lab person who examined that report was also one of the main key witness in this whole case.
Can you give us more details about that, Mayuresh?
The details, if you could talk, I just gave you example earlier also that the forensic report was very crucial in this thing. There were 2 samples taken in his of his blood, and they were sent to the forensic lab. But there were dispute between the both the reports, so that was a very crucial point in this case. And now we just need to wait that what exactly Salman Khan says in a court.
All right, Mayuresh, do stay on with us. Just going to talk our viewers through the latest that we're getting, and you can see Arpita Khan there. That is Salman Khan's sister, who has of course come in to show support. Salman Khan takes to the stand. All eyes right now on him on the hit and run case, which is dragged on, let's remind you, for 13 years. Now, he's charged with killing 1 person and injuring 4 by allegedly ramming his car into a shop in 2002 in Bandra, Mumbai. Now, it would clearly be a crucial test now for the 49-year-old actor as he gets an opportunity for the first time to present his version about that mishap that occurred on September 28, 2002, when allegedly the car that he was driving in ran over people sleeping on a pavement outside a bakery in suburban Bandra. All right, so these are the latest visuals that we're getting in. Many members of Salman Khan's family also joining him today as he takes to the stands for the first time. He will also today for the first time get an opportunity to cross-examine defense witnesses. Well, those are the cars pulling in of Salman Khan's family. We just saw Salman Khan himself come in for the first time, come in there earlier. After that, we did see his sister Arpita, and now other members of Salman Khan's family coming in to show solidarity and to show support. Well, to give our viewers perspective, it was Salman Khan, who has now been called in by Judge Deshpande, summoned to appear to give his statement under Section 313 of the Code of Criminal Procedures, CRPC, which comes at the fag end of the trial after the prosecution closed its evidence by examining more than 25 witnesses. And today, Salman Khan has that opportunity to cross-examine those 25 witnesses. Well, under the provision of CRPC, not only the accused gets a chance to put across his contention on the evidence abducted by the prosecution, but also the court can ask him questions to clarify any ambiguity that may have cropped up during the trial, and there have been many such cases. I want to go across to Mayuresh, who's tracking events very closely at this Sessions Court in Mumbai, where Salman Khan has appeared and certain members of his family as well. Mayuresh, we just saw visuals of Salman Khan's car pulling in, but he's also got support from his family. We did see Arpita walk in as well. All right, we seem to have lost our connection with Mayuresh. We're going to try and re-establish that. But let's take our viewers through the very latest of what we are witnessing. These visuals that we are getting in is from a Sessions Court in Mumbai. The reason why, it is for the first time that Salman Khan now would be presenting his side of the story on a 13-year-old case which occurred in 2002. All eyes clearly today on Salman Khan. He is charged with killing 1 person, injuring 4, when allegedly the car that he was driving rammed into a shop in 2002, killing 1 person outside a bakery in suburban Bandra. I want to go across to Mayuresh. He's back with us. Mayuresh, we did see Salman Khan's car pull in alongside. We are also seeing support, family support there. Arpita Khan, his sister, joining him. Can you give us details? What are you witnessing? We are seeing lots of cars pull in. Give us details.
Certainly, Salman Khan has entered in the court, but he's still standing outside the courtroom because the case has not been called. And we just saw his sister Arpita and the elder sister also. They just came in the court to just support, because from day one, when this case has been shifted to this particular Sessions Court, Mumbai Sessions Court, Arpita is always with Salman Khan, and she for every hearing and for every day she is coming with Salman Khan over here. But we have been given to understand right now that Salman is still waiting outside the courtroom. The case is yet to come up in the court. Back to you.
All right, Mayuresh, for the benefit of our viewers who are just joining us, can you take us through the chronology of this case? It's been 13 years. There have been lots of witnesses that have turned hostile, yet 25 witnesses have taken the stand against Salman Khan. Can you give us details? What has been the strongest witness for the prosecution?
Certainly, from past 13 years, this case has seen many ups and downs. Many, even few witnesses have turned hostile also. But the crucial eyewitnesses, or we can say the crucial key witnesses in this matter, were the a laboratory report for a laboratory person, as well as the RTO officer who was there at that time, and he inspected the vehicle. So these were the important key witnesses in this whole matter. But today's, for the benefit of our viewers, just want to tell you again that today is a very important day, because Salman Khan will be standing in that witness box where he will be questioned by court itself.
Mayuresh, what is the crucible of this particular case? And that seems to be the fact whether or not Salman Khan was behind the wheel or not. Something that the prosecution insists on, and it has been contended by Salman Khan himself, who've said that it is his driver. Now, can you give us, in terms of witnesses, what witnesses have corroborated to the effect that it was indeed Salman Khan who was behind the wheel?
Certainly, many times when the defense examined the witnesses, they said that they saw Salman Khan coming down or opening that particular front gate of the car, but they didn't see him behind the vehicle. A few said that we saw Salman Khan behind the vehicle. So there were you can say a complete dispute between the many eyewitnesses of that case, and defense has always emphasis on that Salman Khan was not behind behind that particular steering.
All right, appreciate you joining us, Mayuresh. We'll just keep coming back to you for more on that story. Well, with that, we're going to slip into a quick break, but our coverage continues. What you're just witnessing there is a Sessions Court in Mumbai, where Salman Khan is appearing for the first time to present his side of the story when it comes down to a 13-year-old case in 2002, when allegedly the car that he was driving rammed into people sleeping on a pavement outside a bakery in suburban Bandra. Trust headlines today to keep you updated on all